Happy Friday, parents. I hope that you guys had another great week. This wind was a little bit crazy, but at least temperatures are comfortable. They did another awesome job in class and worked really hard all week. I can always tell this time of year we push so hard during the week, and by Fridays they are definitely a little bit worn out and a little bit sleepy. So give them a little bit of grace and know that they are working so hard for 8 hours a day at school. This week during reading, we worked on compare and contrasting of informational texts again. They are really getting the hang of writing the paragraphs and pulling out a lot of key details independently now. That's going to be one of our big focuses for the rest of the year, is moving from more guided practice to independent practice. For math, we worked on moving from not just fractions, but measuring to the nearest fraction and then plotting it on a number line or a line plot. They are loving that. I think that graphing is one of their favorite things to do. And for writing, we are continuing our opinion writing. And this week we did something called Food Critic, where they were able to taste test multiple chips and have to give a description on them to really work on better understanding adjectives. And so they also loved that, of course. And then finally this week for core knowledge, we're continuing our habitat unit, and they are becoming experts on a certain animal and really looking at the habitats and different adaptations that happen not only to the animal and how they adapt to it, but animals around them as well. And so they are really loving becoming experts. Just a couple upcoming events on Tuesday. Even though we don't have school Monday, we will still have our spelling test on Tuesday and then no school on Monday. So enjoy a 3-day weekend.